Use CHARX Connect modular infrastructure charging sockets in AC charging stations and home chargers for Mode 3 vehicle battery charging. The LED indicator in the protective cover indicates the status of the charging process and can be controlled via the mounting screws without additional cabling. This allows you to configure an individual color value for each state of your charging point that matches your corporate design. Temperature monitoring with PTC sensors directly at the power contacts provides additional safety during the charging process. The modular configuration of the sockets with a round or square protective cover, LED indicator, and various actuators and cable sets enables you to customize the design of your charging point. Operation of the optional shutter is intuitive. Simply insert the charging connector. You thus ensure safe touch protection for all contacts in accordance with national standards and additionally protect the charging station against vandalism.